Akola Institution Innovation Center and IQAC Head. We are here again to explore a groundbreaking development in technology, deepen our knowledge, understanding on the topic. AI, that is artificial intelligence, power application in different industrial domain. An expert talk jointly organization by Institution Innovation Center, IQSC. I request all the dignitaries to take their seat on the dais. I request all the dignitaries to take their seat on the dais. Honorable Principal Dr. P.V. Thorat, IQSC Coordinator Dr. S.K. Patil, Professor J.G. Ingole Sir, and Dr. Rutuja Deshmukh Ma'am, Event Coordinator. It gives me immense pleasure to announce Expert Talk, which aims on various aspects associated with AI. As Martin Luther King Jr. once said, darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. It is mark of our undying tradition to evoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event, and this event is considered to be the one. I would like to request all the dignitaries to light up the lamp. Thank you, sir. Today, we have privilege of learning from someone who have not only studied AI extensively, but also have contributed groundbreaking work in this field. I welcome Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Pravin Chopade, IA Software Feature Architect, USA. Sir, it's a privilege to join you connected with us from a miles distance. I welcome Honorable Shri Hon'ble Ingole, Shri Shivaji Education Society, Amravati Executive Body Member. A hearty welcome. I welcome Honorable Shri Hon'ble Karmik, Shri Shivaji Education Society, Amravati Executive Body Member. I heartily welcome Honorable Principal Dr. P.V. Thorat, Dr. S.K. Patil, IQSC Coordinator, Dr. J.G. Ingole Sir, Institution Innovation Center Member, Professor Rutuja Deshmukh, Event Coordinator. A hearty welcome to all of you. As you know, whether you are deeply immense in this field or just beginning to explore it, you are in for a treat. I request Event Coordinator Professor Rutuja Deshmukh to give introduction about the topic. Please welcome Professor Rutuja Deshmukh.
Good morning. I welcome today's esteemed guest, Honorable Dr. Pravin Chopade, the Executive Body Member, Honorable Shri Hon'ble Karmik, our Honorable Principal, Dr. P.V. Thorat, IQAC Head, Dr. S.K. Patil, all head of departments, all section heads, staff members, and all my dear students. Today, we have gathered here for an expert talk on AI-powered application in different industrial domains by our esteemed guest and an enthusiast of artificial intelligence, Honorable Dr. Pravin Chopade. We look forward for the remarkable advancements and applications of AI across various industrial domains. We will embark on a journey through the transformative power of artificial intelligence, which is a force shaping the future of industries worldwide. In today's rapidly evolving landscape, AI is not merely a technological marvel, but it's a catalyst for innovation, efficiency, and growth. AI, that is artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. Across sectors ranging from healthcare to finance, manufacturing to agriculture, AI-powered applications are revolutionizing operations, driving productivity, and unlocking new frontiers of possibilities. Let's delve into some of the examples. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing patient care from diagnostics to treatment planning. Through machine learning algorithms, medical professionals can analyze vast amounts of data, predict diseases, and personalize treatment plans, ultimately saving lives. In finance, AI algorithms are reshaping the landscape of banking, investment, and risk management. From fraud detection to algorithmic trading, AI-powered solutions are enhancing decision-making processes and also safeguarding financial institutions against emerging threats. In manufacturing, AI-driven automation is transforming production processes, enhancing efficiency, and driving innovation, from predictive maintenance to quality control. AI-enabled technologies are streamlining operations, reducing cost, and accelerating time-to-time market for products. In agriculture, AI is empowering farmers with precision farming techniques, leveraging data analytics and IoT sensors to optimize crop yields, conserve resources, and mitigate environmental impact. Through AI-driven insights, farmers can make informed decisions, maximize productivity, and ensure food security for future generations. These are some of the examples merely scratch the surface of AI's vast potential across diverse industrial domains. As we continue to push the boundaries of innovation, collaboration between industry leaders and researchers will be essential to harnessing the full transformative power of AI. In today's session, we will navigate the complex challenges and future opportunities. Let us embrace the possibilities of AI-powered applications across industrial domains through this session. I would like to thank our today's guest, Honorable Dr. Pravin Chopade, for giving his valuable time. I extend my sincere gratitude to Honorable Shri Karmik, Shri Shivaji Education Society, Amravati's executive body member for gracing his valuable time. I would like to thank our Honorable Principal, Dr. P.V. Thorat, for accepting the session's proposal and letting us conduct this session. I would like to thank the IQAC head, Dr. S.K. Patil, for all his guidance. And I also would like to thank the IISc members for being the backbone for this event. Last but not the least, I thank all the head of departments, staff members, technical team, and all present here for your presence. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to request Dr. S.K. Patil, IQAC coordinator, to share some wisdom and motivation. Please put your hands together for sir.
Good morning, everyone. I pay my tribute to Goddess of Knowledge, Ma Saraswati. I pay my homage to the founder, president of Shri Shivaji Education Society and the great visionary, late Dr. Bhausaheb alias Panjabrao Deshmukh. On behalf of Institute Innovation Center and College of Engineering and Technology, I welcome the expert of today's lecture on AI-powered application in different industrial domain, Dr. Pravin Chopade, the principal of this institute, Dr. P.V. Thorat, senior IIC member, Institute Innovation Center member, Dr. Rajabhau Ingole, event coordinator, Dr. Rutuja Deshmukh, all heads of the department, members of IIC team, my colleague faculty members, and dear student friends. I once again welcome you all for this expert talk organized by Institute Innovation Center, which has a potential to revolutionize the culture of research and innovation in this institute. I'd like to tell our expert that this institute is established in 1983 and we have produced thousands of engineers who are working not only in India but in various parts of this world. They are holding the key positions in the research and engineering organization. So, we have started the Innovation Center. Actually, behind starting this Innovation Center, our goal was to encourage staff and students to do research, identifying the needs of industry, society, as per the requirement, how can we provide latest solutions to that. As the technology is concerned, the world is changing very fast. Now it is high time to adopt latest technology in our product systems and business. Nowadays, AI and machine learning is very much required to be implemented in every sector. Our goal was to develop the culture and adopt this. Our goal was to develop the culture in our institute to adopt these new technologies. But it's not so simple. We need some driving force and we need some expertise to implement all these things. When we have gone through the expertise of Dr. Chopade, we found the ray of hope. Immediately we contacted him, and without taking much time, he has given his consent. On behalf of Institute, I am very much thankful to Dr. Chopade for his wholehearted support. He is the authority in artificial intelligence. He has worked for big organizations like NASA. He is AI software feature architect at Stellantis, Michigan, USA. The goal before starting the Innovation Center was to introduce all these new technologies like nanotechnologies, automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning in various sectors like civil engineering, computer, mechanical, chemical, and all other sectors. Because without having multidisciplinary approach, we cannot develop any system, we cannot develop any machine, we cannot develop any business model, or we cannot develop any process. So it is very much essential for the students and every teaching faculty members to adopt these new technologies. And as Dr. Chopade has assured that he is not going to deliver the speech on AI only today, he will ask his colleagues, the scientists who are working in the different modules, to have expert lectures for our college, for our institute. That will be a continuous process. He is interested to have MOU. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I am honored to invite our esteemed Honorable Principal, Dr. P.V. Thorat, to share some inspiring word with us. Please welcome our Principal, Dr. P.V. Thorat.
First of all, I pay my tribute to Ma Saraswati and our founder president Panjabrao alias Bhausab Deshmukh on the eve of expert talk of Honorable Pravin Chopade, dignitaries on the dais, IQAC coordinator Dr. Sanjay Patil sir, ICC member Professor Jayant Ingole, event coordinator Professor Rutuja Deshmukh, all respected head of the department, all respected teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and dear student friends. It gives me an immense pleasure for this expert talk on AI-powered application in different industrial domain. Now, this is a AI is a new current theme or topic in the this development areas where every department, every branch of engineering that can be involved as a part of the system or as a part of the knowledge. I have recently read the one of the article in Tadoba that the forest department has given the one application to protect the lives of the people around the Tadoba area by AI application, by providing the AI simulation software where the protective wall or protective sirens can be immediately heard to the people that any this tiger or any animals come around this residential areas, the signals that can be captured and the signals is given to the people by way of siren. Now this is the current news I have heard in the Tadoba. Now similarly, there are so many areas where this AI application that can be used in so many applications like chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, or civil or computer or architecture engineering. And the interdisciplinary approach, those can be required as a new education policy that can be, that is called as the purely taken care by means of this AI. I thanks my small brother, Mr. Pravin Chopade. He has given the consent and accept our invitation for our institute because he belongs to the Shri Shivaji Education Society. And I thankful on the behalf of our management and from our college that he has taken the keen interest for this expert talk, and he has also given the his consent for the further motivation to our staff and the student by giving the constant lecture series and MOU along with our institute. I again thankful to our management, Honorable Hemant Bhau Kalmek, Honorable President Sahib, and Honorable Pravinji Chopade for giving this chance to our institute for the motivational of the staff and the students. And once again, I thanks all of you for the patient hearing of this lecture of Mr. Pravin Chopade, because it is a night at 1, I think, Pravin, and that may be he has taken these efforts in the night 1 o'clock. He is accepting our invitation from America, and he is very keen for our institute. And again, thanks Mr. Pravin Chopade for this expert talk from the institute. Thank you, Pravin.
Thank you, sir. Some people call this artificial intelligence, but the reality is this technology will enhance us. So instead of calling this artificial intelligence, I request you all, you should argue your intelligence. AI is a field of computer science that focus on creating intelligent machines. AI allow machines to perform various tasks requesting human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, making decisions, and solving problems. AI has numerous applications in various fields. Some common examples including various assistants like Siri and Alexa. AI is revolution industry and making our life convenient and effective. The expert speaker today, Pravin Chopade, is an AI software feature architect at USA, where he develops AI power integration and adopts automobile software system solution for real-time application. He is PhD in Computation Science and Engineering from North Carolina A&T State University, Green Hobart, USA. He has his Master in Electrical Engineering from Pune, BS in Electrical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Amravati. He has his post-graduation diploma in Advanced Information Technology and International Institution of Information Technology, Pune. Before settling in there, he has worked as an AI research engineer at AI Labs. He has research projects were funded by various agencies such as United States Department of Defense, Army Research Laboratory, the AI Defense Threat Reduction Agency, the AI National Science Foundation. He is also a member of IEE and ACM. He has published more than 40 papers, filed 2 patents applications and received several grades and awards. He has also 10 years of teaching experience as an electrical engineer faculty member. So we have with us a manifesting personality who have not only studied but also executed, who have started his education in electrical engineering and now working in the trending field of AI. So let us welcome with a big round of applause AI software feature architect. With the permission of Chair, I announce the program is formally inaugurated. I request all the dignitaries to take their seat off the dais. बस हो गया Over to you, sir. Please put your hands together for Dr. Pravin Chopade.
things. So, as far as my role in Stellantis, I am part of the software engineering division, and in software engineering division, we are developing these AI-powered applications. Apart from that, we are also trying to see like how can we bring these different personalized mobility solutions. So before going to the today's topic, I want to also share some of the information about my organization, Stellantis. Stellantis is a multinational automobile manufacturing corporation. Stellantis had approximately 300,000 employees worldwide, a sales presence in more than 120 countries, and manufacturing facilities in 50 countries. And in India, we also have two manufacturing plants. We have two R&D centers. We have R&D center in Bangalore. We have manufacturing in Pune, in Karnataka, then in Chennai. We also have presence in Mumbai. And let's have the video. I request Manda to play the video from your side.
We don't just make cars, we craft stories. Stories that have been part of our lives, that have made history. Guided by a clear vision. Freedom of movement for everyone. Today, mobility is undergoing a fundamental transformation. It touches us all and enables our dreams. Connecting cities, connecting people, connecting present and future. It's about exploring new opportunities, responding to new needs, and all in harmony with the world around us. In this new era of mobility, it's not about being the biggest, it's about pursuing greatness. That is why we, a diverse and talented group of 300,000 men and women, working in 50 countries around the world, and powering iconic vehicles and mobility brands, with millions of ideas, unbounded creativity, enormous passion, and we don't just make cars, we create new horizons, and shaping a better world for the generations to come. We are combining our strengths, talents, and experience. We don't just make cars, we craft stories. Stories that have part of our lives that have made histories. Guided by a clear vision, anticipate the needs of our customers, wherever our solutions are conceived. Today, mobility is undergoing a fundamental transformation of future. It touches us all, and a new journey has started. Stellantis, connecting cities and greatness. Present and future. It's about exploring new opportunities, responding to new needs, and all in harmony with the world around us. In this new era of mobility, it's not about being the biggest, it's about pursuing greatness. That is why we, a diverse and talented group of 300,000 people, working in 50 countries around the world, and powering iconic vehicles and mobility brands, complex ideas, unbounded creativity, enormous passion, and a complete experience, are connected to pursue new horizons and shaping a better world for the generations to come. We are combining our strengths, talents, and experience, and unbound customers and society with the most distinctive, appealing, versatile, and sustainable range of mobility solutions. Because today is where we anticipate the needs of our customers and where strong solutions are conceived. And we know that together we can create a better future. Our new journey has started. Stellantis, pursuing greatness.
Before going to this details about artificial intelligence, I want to walk you through the technological revolutions, how the AI started. So in terms of that, there is the industrial revolution, which has water processing, medical design, which has created the different production system. Then there was the digitalizations, which was part of the electronics and IT, automated process production applications, and we see today there is the age of AI, that is data analytics, automations, and decision and content. So there is a lot of things in terms of changing. As you know, some of you may have heard the ChatGPT of thinking. Generative AI is making a lot of different applications. So there is AI for transformations which is coming up. But how this actually started, this with respect to, if you want to see that artificial intelligence actually the beginning was happened in 1950 when the British mathematics and computer science team he started the first artificial intelligence code, Alan Turing, and then all the revolution started in terms of the first principles, multi-agent system, neuro system, AI engineering, and as you see, generative AI is at the peak of this today's time, and number of things again will evolve over the time. But most important thing is the technology is changing, but it is also making the different impact in terms of number of applications, which is playing important role in terms of life of lot of people. So main question is, what is artificial intelligence? So what people think it is, what early programmers think it is. So in reality, AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. So it is actually, so the mathematical part or design, if we actually put in terms of the specific code, and when it is actually written, it becomes a part of the that system. So human intelligence is becoming part of the system, and that we are entering into AI. So it encompasses machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. So in AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning, so actually refers to the computers to replicate human intelligence. Everything in terms of like intelligence is coming to the machines, but human being is actually putting that in a system. So there are a lot of applications. As a scientist or as a programmer, they are making understanding, and then they are putting in a system. So one of the part of artificial intelligence is machine learning. So machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence actually that identifies patterns and data, and ML algorithm actually learn from the data for making any predictions. So if you see it here in terms of there are some of the data which is available. Now this is represent the confusion matrix. Those who know in terms of how we want to measure accuracy of any system. So there is a true class and predicted class, and if you see here for some labels, here if you see the 100%, when it is saying the true class and predicted class, the diagonal elements, that is the two projections will give you, so it gives how accurate that specific prediction is there, and that determines in terms of how accurate that machine learning algorithm is there. So going in terms of like importance of AI in industry, so AI enhances efficiency, productivity, decision making across diverse sectors, as well as it enables automations, predictive analytics, and personalized experiences. So there are number of things again which are part of the AI. So deep learning is again a sub-branch. So there is a recommendation engine. As if you are using some of the products, or if you are using any say Amazon products, if you buy sometimes some products, next time you will get recommendations in terms of which new products to buy, or if it is the evidence based system, and then also have predictive analytics, NLP, machine learning, natural language generation, prospective analysis. So there are different sub systems are part of the artificial intelligence, and based on that there are different applications. So as this is there are almost all the engineering college students from the different department. Even these are some of the terms related to computer engineering students. But having a fundamental knowledge about what exactly the system is, that is in terms of what are the different types of machine learning, so like the supervised machine learning, supervised learning, which is again considered as classification, regression. Then again there are different algorithms, sub-algorithm, unsupervised learning, again which has the part like clustering, and semi-supervised learning, then reinforcement learning. So these are the some of the main types. But in terms of how to identify which kind of algorithm is required, it depends upon like which kind of application is there. So in terms of if we need, if there is a problem about say predicting a weather, or if it is some kind of email is the spam or not spam. So if it the email is the spam or not spam, it's considered as a classification problem. So based on that, then one has to make a determination in terms of which basic algorithm to choose. So in terms of which kind of like whether it is the truth table, like a quality negative, or if there is a range of values. So then we have to say predict the temperature, whether it will be rain tomorrow or not. So these are some of the things comes under different kind of which kind of algorithm you are selecting. Or if you have to look for say if we have to identify some community, how a basic community exists, or how basic group exists, like if you have to know which kind of a basic class that basic product belong, it comes as a clustering. So similarly, there is
शेअरिंग कोण
another
करत आहे
thing in
स्क्रीनचं ते
terms
की
of
आपण ते करत
supervised
आहेत का
learning. What we need, all the data is called as
होस्ट
the label
होस्ट
data,
आपण को होस्ट आहेत
and
का ते
whereas in unsupervised learning, we don't need means it learn from the basic relationship exists in it. But in the semi-supervised learning, it is a class of both like supervised learning and unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, it is another subtype which based on the making a decision making things. Some of the things may be the part of your current syllabus, but these are some of the fundamentals which are important. So in terms of what basic machine learning algorithm we need to select. So as far as in deep learning, one of the thing which you see here is the neural network. Now in the neural network, it is inspired by human brain. So neural network consists of layers of interconnected nodes, and deep learning models use neural networks for complex tasks. And deep learning, which is semi-supervised, supervised, and unsupervised, again it has the verification algorithm like a convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network, restricted Goldman machine, deep belief network, pattern encoders, generative adversarial networks, which is GAN, and based on that, whatever the new generative AI is coming is another variant of that. And deep neural network, DNN, so which has network has more than 2 layers. So one of the thing with respect to deep neural network is it has sophisticated mathematical modeling, and it has also has the capability to exact
पिन
extract
केलं ना
features
आपण
automatically, like images, video, sounds, and text. So in terms of the convolution neural network, which is used for image classification. So here you see, if you want to see if we have the data set which has the different things, there is a cat, there is a dog, other bird or fish, and if you extract the features, so normal neural network which is called as the traditional approach, is a time consuming and it requires domain experts, which is not scalable. But if you use the deep neural network, then deep neural network actually has a lot of processing because it has it goes to the interconnections in terms of different granular data, making it and it is more accurate as well as it is easy to scale. So one of the important things
मंदार सर पिंड मंदार सरचा टॅब आहे ना मंदार सरच्या जागी त्यांचा टॅब येऊ शकेल ना
in terms of what exactly how to implement. Everyone knows, yeah, everyone knows what are different applications. But important thing is in terms of how what is the basic process involved? This specific pipeline which has once we know it may be the unit field, we need to identify the problem. Then with respect to that problem, second step is to data collections, then data processing, algorithm selection. So whatever the algorithms discussed already, like machine learning algorithm, deep learning algorithm. So these are based on the problem, or if it is the which type of data, if it is image data, or if it is video data, or text data, or any other data, based on that we need to make the algorithm selection. So other thing is in terms of once we have algorithm selections, then the model training. So model, whatever the model is there, we need to train that model based on the data. So we involve the process in terms of if we have the data, so training the model on the 70% of the data and keeping the 30% of the data for validation. So this involves in number 6 the testing and validations. And once the model is trained and validated, then we need to find out what is the accuracy of that specific algorithm. For once we know if the accuracy say 0.90 or 90%, 95%, then we can derive the algorithm for making the validations in terms of iterations and improvement. And when practically when we are to deploy, in the next step of the deployment, and again after deployment, again we have to go to the feedback loop and the continuous learning, like how that specific machine learning process is effective or if you need any improvement. So what you see here in terms of implementation, the training data and model evaluation, those are the very important things. So high quality training data is crucial for accurate DNA model, and evaluation of matrices like accuracy, precision, recall, to see what is the how the model is performing. So in terms of the model, every most important thing is the pre-processing. Here is one example in terms of the image which is has the number, and we want to see how accurate that number. There are the numbers, image is the number 3, and we are doing the training the algorithm we are using the CNN algorithm, and based on that the inference is calculated and model is able to provide the prediction that the image, the numerical value is 3. So this is the one example in terms of how model is capable of predicting accurately. So this is again important part of the both like in the our engineering syllabus or in practical applications, you may you may not be getting actual things in terms of how yes systems are practically implemented. But when it is a part of the system, actually we can have the systems like AWS, like if you have to write the code, it is if there are different systems involved, but which is called as the front end and back end. And in the front end, so I'm just showing you the architecture in terms of practical AI model implementation. So if you have to have the interaction with the front end, like the client application, we are getting any data from mobile or any other interface, it is connected with respect to all the connections are made with the Amazon is like a API gateway. Then there is the Lambda application. This is nothing but how we are a piece of code is written, but the Lambda is the functionality event-based system which is incorporated in AWS, and all the data is stored in S3 or DynamoDB. And next step involves the process of the feature extractions and model training, and model training again in terms of like there is a different computation involves. So Amazon EC2, I think there are the train model, AWS, ISP, this model is stored there. And again the inference is carried out based on that we are able to get the results in terms of how based on the how accurate that model is. So here there is another practical implementation. Say for example, if you have input data like audio, video data, and this is applications in terms of like getting input from the system which is interacting for human system, and to get like in this audio system how we want to see person is speaking, what are the basic cognitive and social learning skills which are there, and to see that again this data comes to the Amazon India Gateway. We have the say Lambda applications which is part of the AWS system, which is nothing but AWS which is the part of the code. The data is stored initially in the any database. It may be it is stored in the cloud, and then the audio data is transferred. We need to convert the audio data from audio MP3 to text. So that is there is a service called as Amazon Transcribe, and which gets some of these information in terms of audio to text features. And if you are able to see like if you want to include the specific vocabulary, then you can include a custom vocabulary embedding, and in terms of human coded, like if you want to see like if you want to state as a business supervised machine learning problem, we can use the human coded translate as a ground tool for training the model. So there is another applications which is transformer-based applications, the TensorFlow applications that we can use to actually have some embeddings with respect to the ground data and pre-process feature extraction based on that for the whatever this text data, and then the model training. So here again, what basic model we select, and it is again now here it is the text data. If we can have the RNN or it may be the service from the Amazon Compliment or others. So like in-house algorithms, or we can have the external algorithms that we can write the code. Then the model is trained again and have the base accuracy which is calculated based on that. So once we have this we have the new data coming, so we can have this text transcript, and then for based on that we can see different tables whether it's positive, negative, in terms of probability values what you see here, and inference which is calculated whether what kind of skills are there with skills of skills or cognitive skill probability, which is available on different things. So this is kind of like one very good example for the how we take any kind of audio data and how we have a different system. Now this is a very basic system which is implemented in the AWS infrastructure, but there may be the other infrastructure which may be used. There are technology, cloud technologies are available, and in terms of like how this system is actually we follow the steps in terms of getting the data, pre-processing data, feature extractions, model training, and finding the good accuracy. These are the key steps which you want for any kind of a model. So here we have the audio data, but there is a different kind of applications you can use that kind of data. So another example in terms of the multimodal data analytics is like if we have the audio, video, and training data, how we can use different picture learning from that. This is some one example which was part of my another previous projects where we use like if we have like a situation like army where we want to assess the situational awareness, how the army soldier wants to interact with some of the situations arise in the battlefield, or if you want to capture some of the data from the what are the different signals are coming in the system. So this involves in terms of like audio data, video data, or some of the eye tracking data. And these systems, like once we have data, then we can use this computational psychometrics model, which is actually the framework used by Dr. Alina and earlier. We have our working in the AI machine learning division. And in terms of this specific psychometrics framework, actually the telemetry data, which is nothing but all the audio, video, eye tracking, feature extraction from that, high level constructs, developing the psychometrics model, then cognitive learning model, all these steps involved. So once we have this data like audio is system which is the person is interacting, we have this like vision, audio tracking, and this we can actually visualize in terms of what specific behaviors are there on the screen mapping. So this is another example, like in terms of how we implemented. This was one of the tasks for the multiple analytics, like in the NASA system. There is a task is like sending the on the mission to land on the Mars, and where the astronauts and engineer they are working together. So astronauts actually interacting with astronauts in the spaceship, and engineer is at the ground stations, and the engineer will coordinate with the astronaut for sharing some information about how to fix the specific part of the spaceship if there is some problem. So when the engineer is communicating, how he is speaking, how he is taking the information accurately, and how astronaut is able to fix some of the problem he is facing. So in that case, this multimodal analytics like mapping the cognitive and social emotional skill is helpful in terms of how those interactions are calculated. So this is one example which was part of my another previous project, IQAC, which was like a crisis in space, and this was a very successful project in terms of how we take the multimodal data and get different cognitive and social emotional skill from that application. So on the same systems, like when we have to use the computational framework for the data intensive computing and feature analysis. So here, if you the same example, when we have this input data, to collect the data, we have this data uploaded. Then it is the like you have to see what basic data like identity matching about the data, and we can bring the computational psychometrics model, but before that, we need to have the pre-processing picture representation of the data, and then algorithm selection, like here we have evaluated data, so deep neural network or CNN or convolutional neural network, we can use it here. And we follow again the same step in terms of picture analysis, model training, and then once we know like a model is doing accurate predictions, like predicted value is very means high, like we have high probability, we can select that model and then we can have inference based on that model, and then another part is like how to visualize the systems or based on the specific data, like how that data is making the predictions. This is like other end on the front end side we are able to see the data means actual system application. So system involves one is the back end and the front end. So most of the AI side in terms of getting the data, taking the data, and taking the picture extractions, they are part of the like in a backend system. So moving along in terms of AI applications for deep learning or application in different domain. So healthcare is another healthcare is one example in terms of AI disease diagnosis, drug discovery, personalized treatment plans. One of the example is IBM Watson Health radiology image analysis. In finance, they optimize trading strategies, fraud detections, and credit risk assessment, chatbot to handle customer inquiries and transactions. Then there is examples of retail and e-commerce, AI-driven recommendation engine, personalized shopping experiences. This is something like if you are using Amazon or any other like you are selling a product, and if you are using some product, and you will see in your account it is showing the recommendations like buy this specific product. So it is learning from your past history recommending the new product. So this is one example. Second thing is in terms of inventory management and demand forecasting, which are another benefits of AI. Manufacturing and supply chain, so AI streamlines production process, quality control, and logistics, predictive maintenance to reduce the downtime, energy and utilities, AI optimize energy optimization, again for the grid management, energy, and smart meters. So this, if you see, you name the industry and we see the applications. So these are the applications which are really related to individuals and which are making the impact. So here you see like previously we have this developing algorithms, RNA, so RNA has these applications for the stock price predictions, chatbots, voice assistants, weather forecasting, function neural network for the face recognitions, medical image detections, object detections, character recognitions, and attribute product is again if we have big data dimension reductions, image processing, pixel extractions, fraud detections, generative algorithm network for generating the image data. Now in the new application which is in the after ChatGPT OpenAI developed this login to which you do the text and it generate the image. So this is before that for the application they are not using generating the image data or generating art image to emoji conversion, face attributes manipulations, 3D object generations. So these are some of the core applications what we see in terms of deep learning applications in terms of healthcare and biology. We want to like these are more basic example like cancer detections, drug discovery, image classification, speech recognition, and media entertainment, like video captioning. You see like a movie in a different language, and you will see like there are captions which appear. If you select a language, if you are watching any Marathi or Hindi kind of video, and you want to see the captions, so you can choose the language. So these are the like real-time applications that it provides the captioning or real-time translation of the languages and autonomous car. So these are the upcoming applications in the automobile industry, like lane tracking, vehicle detection, security and public safety, face recognition, video surveillance. So what important thing is how this deep learning is able to have different application in different domain, because it has the power of the high performance computing like the GPU. Then there is a database we can store data, millions of data, and then we have very sophisticated model in terms of like how it is making the very accurate prediction. So apart from the this core applications, as in the in India we have 80 to 85% like agriculture base, and I want to highlight these applications in terms of how we can use AI in agriculture domain, like precision farming using on the input monitoring using the drones for the data collections, weather predictions, analyzing satellite images, predictive analytics, assessing the crop or soil health, soil crop monitoring and in real time, personalized advisory to farmers and crop breeding. And if there are some countries, there may be the labor shortage in terms of making the different farms or related work. So we have got agricultural robots will be the picture, and some countries already even in United States, there in some area there are some robots used for the agriculture applications and supply chain optimizations. And there is some of the things products specific seeds or anything which are developed means or inside the farm if there is export import things are carried out if there is a demand, how to optimize that specific products, AI means agricultural products. AI can also help for that. So moving towards other examples of different neural network. Here we have the text, different text data. Good tools means if we have the data which can see what are the following. If you sentiment based on that, or if you have a mobile phone, like if you are trying to write a sentence, and next time you will see if you just write something, it will give some suggestions. So this is something like what is inside it, like it learns what is the basic sentence you are trying to compose, and it understands what is the context, like you want to ask the information. So recurrent neural networks, so which is AI inside, which is giving you suggestions based on what the context is there. So even if you see the writing the email or whenever you just write one sentence, you will always get some suggestions. So this is nothing but like how it learns like what data which is there, and which is trying to provide you some kind of suggestions or some recommendations. So another examples like this is mostly all you are aware, like if you have any language translation real time now for English to Marathi language, or you can select any other language, you just type it, it is available in real time in terms of how it is making its providing the accurate information. So before the years means it was like accuracy was the main part, important part, but over a year as it is overall training data is coming, the models are very accurate and it is able to get the exact translations So it is also like if you want to translate from Marathi to English or Marathi to Hindi, so any languages, so Google has this Google Translate applications. Inside it is nothing but the recurrent neural network application. So in terms of as there is a lot of innovation going from the different AI, machine learning, deep learning applications, and generative AI is also playing important role. So there are large language models, ChatGPT, GPT-4, like generative pre-trained transformer. So these models are actually are the part of today's most recent development in this AI, and one of the key part of it, they are really fast in terms of like if you ask information and it will just provide you any kind of like if you want to say ask information about some topic, you just provide a prompt and it will provide you the information, and inside that there are the different models like pre-trained transformer model and which has trained on the lot of data. So in the ChatGPT, you will see a lot of the text, which is text-based application, but there also have the another applications Dolly, which if you provide a text, it creates the images and new applications, GPT code, generative treatment transformer code. This is the OpenAI's most advanced system, which is producing safer and more beautiful responses. So there is a development initiative started with the ChatGPT, another model, new version brought GPT-4, which is more accurate and safer. And recently they introduced Sora, which create the video. So you provide a text and it create the video. So in terms of this is there is significant development going on in terms of how these models are making they are scalable as well as they are really faster in terms of responses. And with that, in terms of one of the applications, this is the report goes to the for development part or for the compatibility side. Whenever we have to do the real-time development, we have to actually write these different codes, and when you have to actually write the code, we have to use the programming languages like if you use the Python, if you use the Java, or any other C sharp, any languages. So based on that, whenever we start writing this code, we when we write a code, Copilot, GitHub Copilot, they introduce you just write a prompt you are writing this application. It will provide you the function or code. It will provide you the recommendation. Okay, based on these applications, you can use this the my recommendations or the syntax of the code. So see, previously there was time was there, one need to have very specific knowledge about the coding. But now, this is the application they are bringing, if you know some application, but in terms of if you want to enhance or speed up your code writing or application development, so this is specifically for the developers too. So AI can help. This is the terms one application Copilot or Microsoft also developed. There are other applications Copilot which has generative AI, but it is helping the programmer or developer to increase the speed of their this application. Now coming back to my area, where we are having these different automobile applications. So in terms of AI, it is including the driving experience, just like emergency braking. So if you are driving and there are sensors on the front side, the human is sometimes human is immediately there is some obstacle there, but the sensors they capture the basic information front object and use the information AI detects, and it actually gives warning. But the time is very important. So if there is a driver is not attentive, so AI is in a able position to interact with the mechanical system, apply the emergency braking. So other example is the blind spot monitoring, like on the rear side or other side, if there is some other car is coming and if you are making a turn and you are not attentive. So blind spot monitoring, you are crossing with the vehicle and you want to see like if there is another vehicle is coming. So lot of accident happen because there are no technology with the blind spot monitoring. But AI is helping us to monitor that activity, provide information to the driver, and it is actually reducing the number of accidents. Driver assistance on steering, like if the driver is not attentive, it is prompting, okay, your engine is not clear or your engine is blurred, you need to take a break. So in terms of that, it also assisting the driver, and this is also putting a lot of applications for the AI powered smart cockpit and vehicle infotainment system features like how the information which come on from systems like there is a vehicle needs some maintenance or vehicle has like oil level of the vehicle is raised, or if you want to have some kind of app inside the information systems, or if you want to interact with some kind of transactions, or like see like a specific route, if you are traveling like a GPS is already there, but if you want to see like very areas like there is a less traffic and you want to see like optimal way. So these are some of the applications you will see in the vehicle information systems, like which has some of the applications pre-built and new applications will come there. This is one example in terms of in vehicle information systems, like where I am currently part of, like putting our AI in terms of our energy use features like advanced connectivity, entertainment, navigation, communication, safety, emergency assistance, like, and if you see here, I can use my mobile phone to start my car or stop my car, or to get information in terms of what is the status of my tires, whether I need some replacement. So all this information is also available on the vehicle iOS system, but at the same time, it is also available in your mobile app associated with the vehicle. So it is like user can get that information, and that involves in terms of like how efficiently he can use information for his use. Another example is this is the for the our product, as I mentioned previously, in India also we have like Jeep and Citroen. These are our brands, and even Jeep in United States, most other part of the other our Europe also this brand is there. And for this one application, like for the Jeep model, we have like application which is developed in terms of we can see like how is the status of my car in terms of service, maintenance, and who is my dealer where I go if I need any information. All the information which is to vehicle is available in the mobile, and which also synchronize information in your vehicle. Some other applications which are coming, which are like in the automobile domain, like other machine learning, NLP, generative AI, large language models. They are also deployed in some of our brands, like recently this automobile, one of our brands, they deployed ChatGPT for interactions, speech analytics, computer vision, so these are applications are being play important role. And what you see here, like in future, you will see like there are the some of the displays that here about like the speed or how you are in the some of the audience speak not only on the highway or it will appear on your display. Robotics, autopilot, autonomous car. So these are the new applications which are coming and emerging, which has impact, which has AI powered applications, which will play important role in the all the systems as well as monitoring different diverse applications in terms of here what you see here one example in terms of you will see it shows the different features about how attentive the driver is. But it is just consider you are driving for 6-7 hours and you are visually blurred. So AI is able to monitor and see you are not attentive. There may be chances of some accident may happen. It will give you warning like this is the time to take a rest or take a stop. So it is actually preventing you from the any major accident which will happen. So this is something like a safety feature. So there are different such applications which will be the part of this automobile domain. So there are also a lot of other applications which are already deployed, and some applications will be available in the future. One of the things which is coming more predominant application is the personalized driving experience, where I can analyze the driver behavior and preferences to provide personalized driving experience. Customized aspects such as the seat positions, temperature, or improvement options, personalized the safe driver. So here you see there is a pedestrian is coming to waiting. It is giving you warning warning to slow down as there is some pedestrian walk is there. It detects and provides information. Or other example is we can't if you are using mobile phone while driving, so it also provides warning keep your hands on the steering. So this is some the examples like AI is able to detect in terms of which helping to provide more safety environment as well as which is making more secure decisions and which is helping the driver. So can we, there is a, I want to show one example. Can we play video from your side or I can? Slowly and IQAC using a lot of different applications as very UX and you can use text to image conversion or code or text to video. Most important part is how we use typically how we do AI. So based on that, finding the different things in terms of how AI can be misused. In the United States, they used to issue the executive order to use the safe and secure trustworthy development of the AI. And this is something like new laws or new things will come and it is required so that you can safely use because there are both the things like there are good parts which are coming with the AI, but at the same time there are some bad actors which may use the AI for the social harm or like some of the fraud or discriminations or any other things. So to avoid some of the things, so there is a need of some of the new orders or new laws and it will appear in a recent year, but United States already started work on it. So in October last year, there is a forum in terms of artificial intelligence, and they actually brought this proposal in terms of how we are doing an ethical use of AI laws, and that implementation will follow. So this is something like as a humankind, we have to determine like when the technology is developed, if the technology has both the things it will help humankind or the different business, including some of the liveness, but at the same time, how we can be a responsible use of AI that distance human being going to make. So that is considered as the responsible AI, and responsible AI is the need for the all the whosoever the users are there, they have to stick to this responsible use of the AI. So in terms of like as we went through these different AI applications, how AI is different basic fundamentals, how we use AI, AI application in different industries. Being the students of these engineering students, for you it is there are a lot of opportunities, career and entrepreneurship opportunities worldwide for engineering students in the workplace and grasping these applications. And architecture fundamentals is very important for you. And as they are continuing to shape industries, mastering these implementations become a strategic imperative. And understanding these applications empowers engineers and industry professionals to harness the AI potential for transformative impact. And we need to have the skills and knowledge about the AI technology. Like here, I just give some examples. You know Python coding, API, and technology like GitHub, CI/CD pipeline, continuous integration, deployment, cloud technologies, or the AWS or any other cloud technologies. That means these are just the few, but these are the some kind of skills and knowledge you need to enter in this field. So there is a lot great different topics in terms of for your career as well as for getting to any application development, whatever field you choose, as there is a different industry for an engineer. With this skill, you can make an impact, and you can also be an entrepreneur. Like you can establish your own firm. Like there is a lot of startup mentality coming up. You can use AI technologies to start your own startup and bring your entrepreneurship skill. So it will AI will not actually take away the jobs, but AI will bring the more jobs. And it is in terms of like instead of you working for someone, you can create a job for others. So that is the something is the means lot of power involved in terms of learn this technology and make use of it. So this is, I hope this all AI based application in different digital domain are really covered applications, and I hope it will useful for all the engineering students for all the things what you plan in your study as well as your career applications. Thank you very much.
शार्दुल लिखने मैडम को
Hello, hello. Thank you very much, sir. Now the session is open for the questions and answers. Please, if you have any questions, you can ask. Yes.
Well, good afternoon, sir. My name is Rushikesh. Yeah, sir. My name is Rushikesh Kute, and I am pursuing B in the stream of computer science engineering, final year, section A. Sir, my question is based on industrial domain. So my question is, sir, how can we encourage employees to use AI for productivity purposes and not simply to take shortcuts? As we know that, sir, we used to chat GPT to simply write the questions and answer it. So what do you think, sir? Are you getting, sir, questions, sir? Can I repeat?
No, thanks for this question. It's very interesting in terms, as I mentioned, there are the ChatGPT, give the prompt and give the
Coins, yeah.
response.
Yeah.
But this is something what determination we have to make in terms of we are into the productivity, but if you have basic application in digital domain, and this is the hard part in terms of ChatGPT is now developing lot of other development going on, more other applications.
Take the mic. Okay.
Hello, sir. Am I audible? Okay, so this is Vipul Deshmukh this side, sir. My question is that how we can begin our career in AI and become an expert, and what are the major features that we can see in upcoming future related to AI?
Next question.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Snehal Deshmukh, second year COC. Sir, my question is that how can we build transparency into AI systems?
accurate predictions, how clear it is like making like some sense of that based on whatever the applications is there. So finding like the parameters like the how do you say the performance parameters of the algorithm, whether it is making a sense of that. That will help in terms of doing the transparency. In terms of like even the like OpenAI, the company who developed the ChatGPT or GPT code, they even mention that don't rely completely on 100% on this model. These are just like a beginning. At present, it will take a time to get the data and have more correct, accurate model. As far as like it, for your level, for our level, better to have like if you have some system of data and you have your own algorithm. So just see like if there is a new data coming and if it is predictions. So that means in terms of okay, this is clear and I can do that to bring more transparency in that model or in that application.
Thank you, sir. My name is Shivaji. I am from CSC Computer Department, third year. So, sir, my question is how we can use AI in cyber security to enhance cyber security.
Cyber in the cyber security, even in the one of the applications I mentioned, like fraud detections, or if someone is trying to steal your information, or if there are some kind of a malicious attack which happens. So these are the like even if not like if your email account is compromised or not. So this is something like there are advanced algorithms which are already part of the system which can detect whether it's identity. So like there is a multi-factor identity, like you will see like whether you are the true user. So it already like applications are developed like if you are on a particular system, it will ask you okay. You recognize this machine. Otherwise, if there is another email or your phone number is connected, it will send the OTP or some kind of code to your mobile to identify whether you are the true person who is that. So this is someone other person is trying to attack your system or get access to your system. It will means the code will only go to the authenticate person. Here there is one application which are coming up in terms of double layer, in terms of which is called as one layer of security. So this is one for the like applications like mobile or what you are doing transactions, or if you have a bank account or you are using credit card, and that those are the most vulnerable things like someone want to be rid of. Or second thing is like if you are using some system, there is a data, how someone try to attack. So there are also these applications, AI and playing like to avoid or protect the data from the bad actors. So cyber security means AI is already playing the role, and you see the different applications which were not previously, but I think multi-factor authentications these are already implemented. Other applications in terms of like which applications are there with the medical applications or which kind of other bank applications. So there are already some applications are deployed and some will again come in the future development. Yes.
Okay. My question is, what are the ethical implications of AI system making decisions that directly impact on human life, such as healthcare or criminal justice or space mission?
Yeah, I'm impressed with this question. As this is really my last part I mentioned, like everything is going with respect to everyone wanting to AI. There are the good actors. If they want to use AI, that is really good. But there are some of the ethical things. I don't want you to say this. I don't want to like if you are doing some assignments and if you are getting some assignment on mechanical system, don't you just try to go to GPT, ask for some solutions or some kind of other applications are there. There we try to avoid human being need to think, but we actually try to rely on say GPT to get information. Or if you have to really get some information which is your contribution required, but you rely on using that information to provide. So this is sometimes as far as in United States already in the schools there is this prevented concerning ethical use. The second thing is in terms of if there is some bias, discriminations based on anything. So for that purpose also these models are trained on the specific region data. So please advise that better to have models which are trained on the larger population. It will not create any gender bias or any of the other many concern in terms of women discriminations, how the models are trained. So future questions people think in terms of like how good those models are trained on which type of data, and other thing is like how typically models or those applications are used. And one other part of your question is in terms of I think the base applications. These are like some of the things which will again evolve over the times, like how this can be used for the different interactions. Like at present, multimodal data, audio, video, and text. These are the applications like how data is used. But if there are additional data is coming, how to integrate data with the existing how to make sense of it, and how we can use tooling that will be other questions. And one more part of the question on the criminal justice. So this is again like there are the possibilities like you have to get the data and out the data based on that make some simulations or some kind of a case like whether it sometimes like AI can help in terms of okay, there was one case which has particular rulings based on that there are other systems which follow these guidelines. Based on the base data, you AI will try to predict okay what is the possible judgment. But here again, expert involvement in terms of the expert person who knows the system, the computer system, he will be in a better positions. He need to rely on more document, one like study. But AI is just can get us done. But there is one determination like how accurate that model is there. And that's there is that we have accuracy is there. But over the time as model will become sophisticated, this model will be positioned to provide good examinations or academic results, and then to the all the lawmaker that all the new things they need to decide how to make ethical use of AI, and there will be the laws that will also apply to everyone, so that everyone will try to make sure that AI is used for the social better cause.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Snehal Gundani. I am from final year CSC. Being a computer engineer, I want to know what are the job opportunities in AI?
What I have to say, like, it is endless applications which are there. You are need to just start in terms of as a beginner. You can start as an analyst or if you have the development what you do in the industry based on that. Always the like developers teams, data analysts, AI engineering, AI engineer, then from machine learning engineer, different opportunities will come in terms of at present you have to start like with this skill to get the experience to work in the industry. Like there are always they will ask general knowledge in terms of how to your fundamentals of your discipline, how to you are in terms of making this interpretation of some of the things, like they give you a problem and you are able to analyze or analytical thinking how good you are. That determines like in terms of if you are in a job or the program or any applications, if you are able to do that, then it starts with like there are these opportunities opens for you. So if you get experience and you will be in a position in terms of progressing your career over the years in this AI knowledge to go all the way from say developer to later on to become the architect and have complete responsibility of kind of project development, and you get a ladder in terms of you can be the business person with the AI technology. So this is one clear thing. I don't think, as I mentioned, don't these are not only the working for someone or having a current responsibility job. But now AI is taking the job as a recipient. So like you can be in a position to have a startup kind of thing, like there are different agencies they will be able to invest based on whatever course your idea is or what kind of issues to make an impact. That startups will also help not only for you to generate more jobs. There is a miss. You have to see that there is a clear in terms of your own growth to become successful, but at the same time, you can also bring jobs for others. And there is a, as I see on here, there is a very good prospect for AI field worldwide.
Myself, Yogesh Bhagwan. I am from third year CSE. My question is, because in the technology rises, it affects the brown collar and blue collar job. But ever since the AI and technology rises, it directly affects the white collar job. So how can we deal with it, and how can we increase the white collar job?
So, as far as my understanding is that like it is not affecting means I think it is bringing job for everyone in terms of like even if there are the different areas, the skill upgradations is there, like you learn some of the things. So as I mentioned, there are the applications like you don't need like some skill, at least you know how to use some application and have some system knowledge. that will really enhance in terms of like skill building and building that very effectively that application. So it will also upgrade like bring up for the white collar. So it is, I think, at present it is not making any differentiation in terms of if you see the jobs. It is always helping. One has to like there are different things. One has to first have the like understand the skill or upgrade the skill. That will you create the opportunity for everyone. Yeah, thanks for asking this question. This is a very close to what we are doing. If you pay close attention to when I was presenting our approval applications, so it is the like one example in terms of when we actually take the sensor data, like we have the different sensors in the vehicle which is like detecting whether there is obstacle or whether there is something which is like getting the oil level of your car or your tire pressure and putting that information in the system to give the driver information, okay, you need oil change or you need maintenance. This is one example like IoT is the interface which is taking the information and providing the information to driver. Second thing is there is some diagnostic information that sensors are taking the information and based on the like AI making the determination to provide the valuable information to driver. So I don't want to say one example, but there are other examples in terms of like if you see like a surveillance camera or if it is like if you are in home security systems, you see like a suspicious objects. But actually, every time you try to take information, electronic devices are having because it capture all the information. They need to convert the information in terms of informations for providing the information based on their predictions and which is available to the person to use it. There are different industries, different already they are starting integrating the ICT application, the AI. So already just shown you examples in terms of automobile, but there are other sectors even healthcare, they want to read some of the MRI data or there are the instruments which are related in terms of which capture the information about the person's blood pressure or heart rate. These are integrated in terms of how to monitor like provide advice in terms of the good health and to take some decisions like improve the someone's diet, like need to these some of these basics HMI factor. So these applications are already are there. Like you see, if you have some smart watch, there are sensors which capture information and provide that things like how good you are, like in terms of how many steps you already walk or you need some kind of movement. So these are already the applications are already there which are ICT and which is on the small level to the bigger level. Already that application is happening in AI is helping to provide accurate information to the user.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is from CSC second year. My question to you is, what are the current limitations of AI in real world application?
When limitations of real world applications is getting the high quality data as one of the key part of any AI system is how good your data is there. At present, currently there are most of the systems are developed based on the big data. It is different new data comes from the multiple systems or a lot of if you consider in India, we have a lot of systems like we have mobile applications. We use a lot of we share the information about the videos, images, and there are different systems. Even if there are farmers, they have the lands, they have the data about their farm. It may be any data which has a lot of things, a lot of parameters. Getting the data and translate it and giving the sense of it. That is the complex part. So real challenges will come in terms of how to integrate the data, how accurate data is, every time you need to have the picture detection, and other thing is how we can scale that data. Like we have say millions of users who want user applications, how to scale that information, translate that information. These are the means at present for some kind of data is there, but for text, even data is only text format. Already computations are there, but if it is the more multimodal complex data, unstructured data, that these are some of the real challenges present.
Hello. First of all, thank you very much for enlightening all of us. Myself, Dr. S. Satarkar, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I have two specific questions and one worry. I'll start with the first question. We have one complete track of AI. My students, they are learning AI. Various subjects of AI, and whatever practicals they are doing, we are using the conventional processors like Intel i5 and i7. Now, there are specialized processors like HLP multi-thread chips and all. They are available for AI programming. So, what I want to see is whether we are doing the right thing and what is the basic difference between these AI processors and what are conventional processors like Intel i5, i7 we are using. This is my first question.
Well, this is a very thanks for asking very important questions, and I am glad that you already in practical you are actually thinking about it, because it is not that there was a word was different word Pentium, but you are actually using the AI based GPU. That means really helping. I don't know whether which kind of whether you have NVIDIA or Hon'ble or different kind.
No, sir. Actually, we are not using. And my concern is, shall we go immediately for those processors? Again, we are doing it on conventional i5 and i7.
Yeah, so my recommendation would be at least I remember when I was studying my computer science that time I was studying Intel 5, but at least today generation is need kind of this AI process automation. I recommend. So if I know system we have to make there is board of credit, we have to write the syllabus and but if already we have the ability to implement with the your subject and bring. So if that is possible, that will be my recommendations in terms of you have to adopt the how technology industry is moving. That will really say, for example, I'm very happy that you are already thinking about bringing this into media. If it is a part of the syllabus, when students are actually going to practical, they know that information. I mean, they have interviews, they graduate and at the company is asking what do you know. He will be the first candidate who will line up for this career job. So see, there are advantages in terms of things are getting the advanced technology is already studying. But at the same time, when industry actually looking for some person, he need a trained person who already has the knowledge. Because at industry, we are already we are using many media for like very fast processor. So this is something which will be the good for the career prospect for the students for the future. And at the same time, I will also recommend you can correct me how cloud technology, cloud things like which I mentioned AWS, are they part of the syllabus?
Actually, they are also part of the syllabus fundamentals, but practically we arrange some workshops and whereby students they are learning these technologies. So anyway, students they are getting these technologies like AWS or Google Cloud, then Microsoft Cloud Azure that we are taking care of.
Yes, so this is a like there is some kind of again I means as a college of engineering technology, Akola can take a lead in terms of putting these things in study like in syllabus and bringing the common ground for all the like putting the university of board of in front of the board of studies and faculty of studies and showing them that there is importance. So this means one of the things will help like in United States, whenever there are the systems, there are the like agencies like the National Science Foundation or government, they give the funding to the colleges, to the professors, and based on that, they can actually give those systems. So in India also, I think university mathematicians, they will provide that. So this is something like really good initiative and which will really help.
Sir, my second question is somewhat futuristic. Hello. Yeah. My second question is somewhat futuristic question. We are using AI in AI mode, that is artificial narrow intelligence mode, where we are using it for solving specific problem. Now I heard that AI super intelligence (ASI) is also taking place, whereby the machines they are manifesting cognitive skills and developing thinking skills to surpass humans. So, is it a reality, first of all? And then, if it is a reality, what is the core technology used in artificial super intelligence?
Yeah, so I admire what you already gathered these questions, very intelligent questions. And one of the thing I think one example I shown in terms of the transition phase my presentation. So that was one example in terms of how we measure the cognitive and social skill in terms of the intelligence, the core skill. So one of the things is in terms of there are when we as a human or a programmer when we design, so all the alternatives we don't want to provide the machines because after some time they will take away everything and we will try to make their own decisions. So it is something the new efforts are coming up in terms of I don't know whether you read about the OpenAI, the CEO, many actually high use, many design the board of thing. That was the thing in terms of like they don't want to full control the systems in terms of how the humans keep the human in the loop so that there is not surprise like any kind of bad decisions. We don't want to say, but it is not good for the humankind. Sometimes it is authority. So there are already, at least in our side, lot of things of the control are coming in terms of not to go that level and how like system to really keep control of the human being. So there may be it is possible to have, but finally who is doing the coding? The human. So when we design a system, we have to make sure that they remain control for the social good and will not harm, that it will not take a human's intelligence away.
Last, it is not a question, it is a worry. Like 4 years. So my worry is after some development, more development, companies they can the machines will automatically generate the code and where my engineers will find the job. That is my question. Is AI favorable for us or it is somewhat disadvantage?
No, I want to correct. I think AI is not disadvantage. One of the things I mentioned, you see the co-pilot. So in my presentation, so it is like when engineer actually start cooking. So if there is a say person who is not computer background, if you don't know what prompt to ask, what to be there, so person even to get a piece of the code they have generated, they need a person who will be able to put some design ask. That kind of skill person is required.
Agree, sir, but the size of the employees in a project that will definitely get affected. Like one person can take care of finding the requirements and putting the right prompts, but at least we need 7 more engineers to develop those codes. That opportunity they will lose. This is what it is actually happening in NSC like Infosys and all. Some part they are using AI codes. That is what I want.
No, I agree with you, but I agree in terms of, but it is not taking a risk creating a new job. We also think this way. Like, it is like a developer, say for example, he can, there is a field like an architect. It is not like it will take a time. So, as it will take away some of the things, but it will also improve the efficiency, creating a new job in terms of new profile in the career ladder of the companies. So it has the like things like someone's organization need to take care of. Like one of the things companies need to think like how accurate those results are there. If they are putting everywhere this all the codes and one of the things I didn't mention is this was I don't know whether you know unit testing, integration testing, which checks like how accurate the system codes are there. So this is the somewhere human intelligence or human interaction required, where AI it will take more time to make that exact code part of the code. But there are both sides in terms of how the evaluation will go ahead.
Like what I want to ask is, you are working on finally driverless cars. Obviously, once you get succeeded, where the drivers will find the job.
So this is a means there is a lot road ahead and it is like I want to it is very multi-agency system involved. Like someone is not getting like there are agencies involved who try to see how accurate the systems are. Then they provide licensing. So it is like not only means at least what I see so far. We can't completely replace a driver even if he remove his hand from the steering, but at least it is something like we need to be there because if, there are the when people was testing the cars, the accident happened. It was a test case. It was unable to see the signal, just put the green red light and obstacle. It was just a crash case with the driverless car, and the authority actually suspended those licenses. So even if they are system also know that human driver is there, at least he can intervene the situation. So if there is a long road ahead in terms of these things are there, how accurate, secure these things are there. One of means it is a means there is a lot of debate going on. But what I see like it will take a time, but I'm not sure like in terms of it will not diversity will not go away because it is something human control. Is at least when I mentioned comments of if you are responsible use of AI, that responsible use of AI is very important. This in terms terms of like have infinite relations, and we need AI because if just consider if we have AI and we don't do it for digital food, because we need to create a job for the human being. That's why all the revolution is happening because human beings who develop the AI, we human. So this is something I think everyone wrong is technology company wrong and they know this problem and they will implement it.
Thank you very much, sir, and I hope our interactions will continue in future. Thank you, sir.
Very good afternoon, sir. Myself, Dr. Vijay from Science and Technology. Sir, first of all, I want to thank you for giving us a very nice insight about uh, very good topic related to all human beings and also to our students. Sir, my question is that we have the brand computer engineering. Is it sufficient to do some process like Python or any other one to act as the artificial intelligence? Or it is better to get admission to the special branches which are opening in India in different colleges about artificial intelligence?
But I also happy with your orientations. Like as I see from my current applications, Python is a very important language because it supports API and web applications. So if it is possible, we need to have the Python at least our study and students can learn early and become the not only the early programmer, but they can become they need to have knowledge of a lot of APIs, system integrations, which will help them. And previously there was a computer engineering department, but I will see in the future engineering college will have like a division, like they will have computer division itself will evolve with respect to the artificial intelligence division. So if you see previously there was a electrical electronics engineer and then some branch like computer engineering came out. So I don't know in terms of how much infrastructure is available, but at present in the computer engineering, at present you can just include the Python with the API and lot of applications that will be the stars. Later on, which can be seen the special courses or of AI, that will be the need of the future.
Okay. Thank you very much. Sir, this is not my question. I want to ask your opinion. After listening so many questions from students and teachers, you see, our goal was to initiate the high-tech implementation of high-tech technology and the culture related to AI here in our college. Do you think this is the right time to start to work in AI and this is the right place? After listening so many questions.
Yeah, I see there is a lot of potential in this. All the students are very, very intelligent. So, whatever the questions, they were really important. What even I work in this much advanced, I am really proud that they are thinking ahead. There is a lot of range of questions. So yes, the time you have the right potential, university as well as accredited viewers, and also as you are leading the Institute Innovation Center, you can really take advantage of it, starting these hectic interactions, and this will really open the new boundaries. This is something like even you know lot of IITs already they have the applications. So I think you can take advantage of your leadership, your other members of ISC students to come up with these innovative projects, such as AI power projects. And this will be like some kind of a role model example for other colleges. I don't know, maybe already at present are in IITs, but at least College of Engineering Technology Akola will be one example you could start. So I really support this initiative, and I see the potential after listening to all brilliant questions, from your students to start this initiative.
Sir, thank you very much. And we keep in contact with you. We will ask you the questions whenever we wish that we are stuck up somewhere else. We will keep in contact with you. Thank you very much. Now hand over the mic to Maria.
Before Maria, I just want to take an opportunity to thank coordinator Rutuja Deshmukh, even the Mandar Deshmukh for organizing this, inviting me and giving me opportunity to share my expertise knowledge with all the students, as well as I want to thanks management committee member Honorable Hemanbu Kanaming and other member for putting this initiative in the college and inspiring students and providing them opportunity to learn all the new technologies that will really help for their future. So, and all the students and staff members for attending it and asking the very brilliant questions. So, thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you. As we have come to close this enlightening session, it's my privilege and pleasure to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks to the dignitaries and the respected guests for giving us their valuable knowledge on the topic. On behalf of my college, College of Engineering and Technology, and all the present here, I would like to express my deep gratitude to Dr. Pravin Chopade. Your excellence knowledge and found experience in IA have not only dedicated but also inspire us to explore and deep nourishment. I express my sincere thanks to Honorable Shri Hemanbhau Karmik, Shri Shivaji Education Society, Amravati, Executive Body Member for his valuable time. Your actively participation, students and my dear friends have made this interaction more fruitful. A special thanks to Dr. Mandar Deshmukh sir, technical team head and technical team administrative staff for theme behind the efforts for smooth running of today's event. I thank all the HODs, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, all the department, sound light, head department, housekeeping for the timeless effort. And lastly, I would like to acknowledge the efforts of organization committee for their dedication in putting together this wonderful session. Your hard work in planning and coordination this event has been pivoted in creating this valuable learning experience for all of us. In closing, I once again thank Dr. Pravin Chopade for we are inspired for your words and look forward for appreciating knowledge, guidance and receiving in our respected field. Lastly, excuse me for any inconvenience. Thank you. With the permission of Chair, I declare the program to be concluded. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you all.